What's the worst case of spoiled rotten that you've seen? I had a friend, Don, who had two kids, a year apart in age. When his son turned 16, Don was ready to give him his pristine Volkswagen. Don really babied his cars, so this Jetta, though about 7 years old, was truly in like-new condition. A car that most normal 16-year-olds would be thrilled to have. I would have been thrilled to have it myself. So Don tells his son the plan, and his son goes, "Dad, I'm not driving that car. It's a 7-year-old Jetta. I need a new pickup truck." After taking a deep breath so he didn't throttle his son, Don simply said, "Well then, I'll drive the Jetta for 1 more year, and then give it to your sister when she's 16. If you want a new pickup truck, then you'll either have to ask your mother or buy one yourself." Now Don and his kid's mother had been divorced for years, and through a series of bad choices, his ex-wife had barely 2 dimes to rub together. Don had gotten remarried to a woman who was a very successful and wealthy business owner, so his son, very mistakenly, thought that Don and his current wife would foot the bill for whatever the son wanted. How very wrong he was. Fast forward a year, his daughter is very happily driving the Jetta. Don bought himself a brand new Mazda. His son has access to neither of them. In desperation, his son bought himself a crappy $800 beater just to get himself to and from work. Lesson learned, I hope. I applaud Don for sticking to his guns and teaching his kid not to be an entitled asshole at an early age.